Welcome to TY GK Quiz. Today's challenge is Mango Quiz in Mango Season. Time 5 seconds. Let's begin.
Which country is believed to be the origin of mango? India, Thailand, Brazil, Egypt. Answer: India. Name 5 famous varieties of mangoes in India. Alphonso, Kesar, Dasheri, Langra, Banganapalli. What is the color of a ripe mango? Blue, purple, yellow, black. Answer: yellow. Mango is rich in which vitamin? Vitamin A, Vitamin D, Vitamin K, Vitamin B12. Answer: Vitamin A. Which season is famous for mangoes in India? Winter, summer, autumn, spring. Answer: summer. Which part of the mango contains the seed? Skin, pulp, stone, leaf. Answer: stone. What are 2 benefits of eating mangoes? Rich in vitamin A. Good source of vitamin C. Which mango variety is known as the king of mangoes? Alphonso, Langra, Totapuri, Neelam. Answer: Alphonso. Which shape do most mangoes have? Square, oval, triangle, rectangle. Answer: oval. Which part of the mango tree develops into the fruit? Root, flower, leaf, bark. Answer: flower. Name 3 popular mango recipe names. Mango shake, mango ice cream, mango pickle. Mango trees can live for about 20 years, 50 years, 100 plus years, 10 years. Answer: 100 plus years. Mangoes grow best in which climate? Polar, temperate, tropical, Arctic. Answer: tropical. What are 2 disadvantages of eating too many mangoes? May raise blood sugar. Can cause stomach discomfort. What is the scientific name of mango? Mangifera indica, Malus domestica, Musa acuminata, Citrus sinensis. Answer: Mangifera indica. Which bird is commonly seen eating ripe mangoes? Parrot, penguin, ostrich, peacock. Answer: parrot. Which part of the mango is usually eaten? Root, pulp, leaf, bark. Answer: pulp. Which are the top 5 mango producing countries in the world? Answer: India, Indonesia, China, Pakistan, Mexico. What is the main taste of a raw mango? Sweet, sour, salty, bland. Answer: sour. Mango is most commonly used to make pickle, bread, pasta, noodles. Answer: pickle. Which animal is known to enjoy eating ripe mangoes? Monkey, camel, penguin, polar bear. Answer: monkey. Which of these is not a mango variety? Langra, Dasheri, Kesar, golden delicious. Answer: golden delicious. What is the outer covering of a mango called? Shell, peel, husk, pod. Answer: peel. Which mineral is found in mangoes? Potassium, mercury, lead, silver. Answer: potassium. Which Indian city is famous for its mango festival? Delhi, Shimla, Leh, Gangtok. Answer: Delhi.